Is digital marketing a good career choice in 2021? What is a digital marketing career path? What are the salaries in digital marketing? Are digital marketing consultants still in demand? What jobs can you do with digital marketing? As a digital marketing trainer and consultant with over 13 years of experience, and after training thousands of students online and offline, I get asked these questions time and again. I can assure you that by end of this video, all your digital marketing career related queries would have been answered. Digital marketing is about promoting products and services using digital channels. It is primarily focused on internet based technologies. A successful digital marketing campaign supports a company's business goals. If your company doesn't have a digital presence today, you will be missing out on customers who will drift away to your competitors. Companies in India have started to realize that the future of digital marketing in India is no more an optional strategy. India's digital economy would reach $1 trillion by 2022. There are many reasons that most companies and startups are moving towards marketing its product and service digitally. No doubt, this field has a promising career which you can definitely look for. Gradual adoption of digital marketing strategies in companies naturally tends to increase job opportunities. A boost for you to have a digital marketing career. There is a continuous demand for professionals in digital marketing who will understand product, target audience, use proper budget and market their products. Prospects of career growth in digital marketing also started increasing. The rise in career opportunities in digital marketing has led to the establishment of many digital marketing institutes in India. As like many other courses, it is not the field where you are bound to fixed job. People can choose to be freelancers where you can work from home in your comfort zone. Even if you choose an office job, there are benefits too. You will get a handsome salary and can give space to your creativity. The digital advertising expenditure in India is estimated to reach almost 540 billion rupees by the year 2024. This marks a good 28% growth rate in digital ad spends in the country. It is expected that by 2022, digital marketing industry will generate more than 20 lakh jobs in India. This widens the digital marketing job opportunities. The report also says that there is a huge gap between demand and supply for digital marketing professionals. The demand is around 59% while supply is only 19%. We can understand the demand for digital marketers in companies is very high. By learning this in-demand skill, you can get better paying jobs as well. You can set a secured career path after learning this most demanded skill. Digital marketing opportunities and a career in digital marketing would be the talk in the years to come. On the other hand, career opportunities in digital marketing are already offered by many MNC companies in India. Who can take up digital marketing course? A working professional who wants to change his field, a housewife who wants to restart her career, a degree holder who is looking for a new job, a business owner who wants sales to grow for his business, a IT professional, salesperson, students, and someone who want to start his own company, and startup owners and people looking for job path that is futuristic. Everyone can learn digital marketing. No matter what you have done previously, digital marketing course has its arms open for you and everyone. You can take part in the lucrative digital marketing jobs if you develop digital marketing skills. You are offered different categories of job in digital marketing which would suit your innate and interesting skill sets. This is one of the major advantages of digital marketing. For instance, if you are interested in writing, you can pursue a job in content writing. If you have analytical skills, then you can go with web analytics. This serves your digital marketing career scope. Manage an online business, running your digital marketing campaigns, crafting content strategies are the major tasks that digital marketing experts do on a daily basis. The companies cannot succeed in online businesses without digital marketers, as they need every task to be done by marketers. The demand for digital marketing professionals will only increase in the near future. Career opportunities in digital marketing. Digital marketing has many job roles. The nature of these job roles are marketing campaigns designing, supplying the right content for an organization, engaging people through social media, and checking and keeping visitors flow on the website. Digital marketing offers a wide range of career opportunities for students and professionals from all backgrounds from creative to technical. Here are the top career opportunities in digital marketing. Digital marketing manager, brand manager, social media manager, content developer, business analytics specialist, SEO, search engine specialist, social media manager, paid ad specialist, email marketer, and mobile marketer. A digital marketing manager plans the digital marketing campaigns across all channels such as social media, search engine optimization, marketing, advertising, email, and campaigns. Digital marketer also monitor and strategize all the digital marketing campaigns and optimize them continuously to ensure highest revenues. A digital marketing career path is dependent on the scope of work and the level of expertise you develop in digital marketing. A digital marketing professional's career progress is also proportional to how will they pick up in the different fields of digital marketing. Digital marketing salaries for professionals in India. Whenever demand exceeds supply, price increases, and this situation is same for digital marketing. The amount differs from city to city and organization to organization. An entry level person can get a package of near about 2.5 lakhs per year. As your experience in this field increases, pay scale also increases. There are many high salarized careers and job profiles in digital marketing. Here is the salary overview for top careers in digital marketing. A digital marketing manager earns up to 4.2 lakhs to somewhere around 18 lakhs per annum. And SEO specialist earns 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs per annum. Social media manager 3.2 lakhs to 4.5 lakhs per annum. Content marketing specialist 2.5 to 4.5 lakhs per annum. Pay-per-click or SEM analyst 2.7 lakhs to 6 lakhs per annum. Content writer 2.5 lakhs to 6 lakhs per annum. Digital marketing offers some of the high paying jobs and careers for both creative and technical roles. As per Glassdoor, the average base pay for a digital marketer is 3,98,000 per annum in India. How to start a career in digital marketing? With the consistently increasing popularity and usage of the internet, businesses today have an extensive opportunity to reach out to the world 24/7 and also influence people through various digital mediums and earn revenues at the convenience of a few clicks. You don't have to get another degree or go to a college to kickstart a career in digital marketing. Anyone with interest and passion can enter into this sector easily. Also, the digital marketing community is full of creative people, so you can always ask around or search online to find the answers. There is an increasing demand for skilled digital marketing professionals. This is where a structured online or classroom courses for digital marketing comes into play, which not only teaches fundamentals but also provides hands-on exposure to relevant tools and techniques. One such executive program is delivered by NIDM, National Institute of Digital Marketing in Bangalore, in collaboration with TDM, the Dynamic Marketer, which offers practical live training on all modules of digital marketing. And a dedicated HR team will guide you through placements. There are premier management institutes like IIMs, NIIT, Times Pro offer courses like digital and social media marketing. The Digital India campaign is adding fuel to the talk and implementation of digitalization. Startups create luring job opportunities in the field of digital marketing, thus opening new avenues in digital marketing career path. Digital marketing is the most economical way to do conversion-oriented marketing. All of digital marketing tactics can easily quantify with effective digital marketing tools like Google Analytics, Search Console, Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, etc. The future scope of digital marketing in India is going to be bright because of its ability to offer a broad range of economic, powerful, and modern mediums of marketing. If you want to become a successful digital marketer, you have to practice online marketing techniques, create a portfolio, and you are there. The career opportunities in digital marketing are always plenty. You get many opportunities to choose in the real world. If you are still curious to get into this digital marketing domain, check our certification digital marketing courses mentioned in the description. You can enroll for a complete digital marketing course at nidmindia.com. Our trainers can help you gain step-by-step expertise in digital skills. Wish you all the best. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.